What's up, everybody? It's Elevated Armory. Today I got Bastion pens. These are bolt action pens, and I got sent these by Bastion. They wanted me to review them. So this is the pen here. It's got a nice weight to it, cool little carbon fiber design, and this is their bolt action. It comes out. Put it back. It's a cool pen. Got a nice little pocket, clip here. Writes really well. The weight keeps it nice and balanced. You can pick these up on their site, Bastion Pens. So it comes in a nice little case here. They also sell watches. They didn't send me one to review, but they're really nice. They look similar to the Audemars Piguet, the Royal Oak, which obviously speaks for itself. They sent me another one here too. This is just their plain stainless steel. So let's open this up and see how this looks. So it slides out. This is cool, this little bolt action movement that they got here. Let me take this little shit off here. Find a piece of paper to write on. Sweet deal. It's back in place. I don't know which one I like more. I kind of like this carbon fiber one a little bit better, just because, looks cooler. But bolt action pens, check them out. I'll leave a link in the description, and I'll add the link to my link tree as well, and go check them out. There's a discount code also. I'll leave that in the description. I think it's 30% off they give out with my code. Pretty sure it's 30. It's either 20 or 30. But yeah, check them out. I got some more gun content coming soon. Just picked up a Zev OZ9, and I'm gonna figure out what's going on with that. That's actually been letting me down the last couple times at the range, but this is what she looks like here. This is a SLR Rifle Works magazine extension. As you can see, it's empty. It's a Trijicon RMR, threaded barrel. It's a little dirty. I just shot about 400 rounds through it. But she's been letting me down. I'm a little disappointed in it. I'll do a review on this, and then figure out what I'm gonna do with it. If I'm gonna keep it, fix it, or trade it in and get something else. We'll see. But that's coming soon. And then I have to do a review on my cans. This is the Banish 45. I also have the Banish 30 at the house, so that's coming up next. Switched up my EDC a little bit. I got shit all over the place over here. Oh, fuck. EDC is a little different now. I had the 365 XL, so now I've switched it out for the X Macro TAC Ops. clear this out. And this is the Sig Romeo X, new red dot, Streamlight TLR7 sub. This is a Griffin Armament barrel and compensator. I got the Tyrant CNC slide release, Tyrant CNC mag release, which I switched for my left-handed self, and I'm waiting on the Tyrant CNC mag extensions and magwell. Also the the trigger from Tyrant CNC and the takedown lever. So those, once those come in, I'll put those on and we'll add that in to the review. I got a lot coming out soon. I'm gonna keep pumping them up. I've been sick the past couple weeks, so I haven't really been able to do much uploading or anything like that, but we'll get there. I'll get it all done and I'll start pumping out some more content for everybody. I appreciate you guys for subscribing and liking and commenting and, you know, doing your thing. And I'm gonna keep doing mine. Appreciate you.